back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video. And also give me a big thumbs up and comment below section. For my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for your watching, for your support. I love you guys so much. So into this video is what's inside my Cassie Coach 19. Yes, I really love this tricolor of this bag. I never own any pink bag. That's why I decided to keep this one because it has a pink and also has a maroon color, and the bag charms it's white. I really love the white with this one. I think that if I want the white bag, I'd rather this one. It's beautiful white. I really love it. And by the way, it has a name Coach in this. And yeah, and this bag have 4 compartment, and it's really good price when I purchased this in outlet, which is good deal for me. And also that it comes with this straps. They have handheld crossbody bag, and also it comes with this chain that you can use as shoulder bag, which is really nice. Even though the chain, you hear that the chains, it's so loud, it's heavy. You know what, there's something, if I bring this bag and then if somebody messing around with me do something, or you know, I'm gonna hit this, I'm gonna use this one to hit that whoever person is that because this one thing it's hit this, it just knock you out. And also the chain, it has says Coach everywhere. Every hardware of this bag has, it says Coach. This one over here says Coach here as well. And even this turn lock. By the way, the turn lock, it's so small. I'm really struggle to open and close with this thing, but anyway, it don't matter as long as I love the bag. So yeah guys, if by the way, if you haven't seen the unboxing video of this, I will leave the description below. Also I leave in here. So this is the bag, guys. It's actually, I didn't carry much, you know. I always carry less item when I going out. I'll normally not bring anything much anyway. But the bag itself, it's actually heavy, guys. I was surprised. I don't, if you can see what's in my what I carry for this, but I can tell the bag, it's so heavy. So let's start with this right here. They have a back compartment, which is I really love. By the way, LV, if you watching this, please make a smaller size of your pochette métresse, because I love pochette métresse, and the regular size for me, it's not suit me very well. It looks weird on my body frame, so I wish they're making a smaller size for that. Finger crossed that Louis Vuitton is making a smaller size like the others do, like a mini bag. So anyway, normally guys, I will put my cell phone in here since I'm using my phone as we're filming. This is my case for now. Yeah, I love this case, by the way. This is from Rebecca Minkoff, and I stuck with this. I forgot with this one. Yeah, this one. And I also have carrying my hair clip, because sometimes it's so windy in here, and good, which is good thing in here today. It's really good weather, which is really nice. Since, by the way, I'm going out, have some coffee with my friends, I bring this baby for the first time. That before I'm going out, I'm gonna film it. So that's why I'm gonna show you guys what's inside of this bag. So let's start it now. See, they have 1, 2, and 3 compartment right here, and I love the maroon color interior, and it says Coach everywhere as well. So let's start with this. This is what it looks like. Let's start over here in the first compartment. I got my compact powder. I always bring compact powder everywhere, even I just bring a small bag. So yeah, and my blush on, this is contour and blush on. I carry this one too when I retouch my blush on. Sometimes I don't carry, I'm looking for a travel size blush on, so at least I can carry this in my smaller bag. which is, let's see what's in here. My Smashback Lip Balm. I really love this because my lip, it's been dry up so crazy. Every time I put lipstick on, I have to put that first because it doesn't crack my lips, which is really good for this Smashback. But I think I also, the Carmex as well, guys, it's really nice if you have really dry lips. So try that one. It's cheaper, I think. So I got my mask. Always wear a mask now every time, wherever you go. Even we're just walking in town, you have to wear a mask. So that's the second compartment now. Of course, my Chanel lipstick. This is Rouge Allure Velvet 357. And one thing I love, this one is magnetic, and I love the Camilla emboss in there. And you know, I love red lipstick. I got so much red lipstick, guys. Also, I like a pink, dark pink lipstick, almost like red. I love that one too. Let's see what's in here. I got this Chanel free pouch that I got from them. Every time you order from Chanel, you always have this free, and you have free 2 samples. So this is sanitizer, guys. I really love this one because it's really slim, and I can put this one to my micro Fendi bag, which is really nice. So yeah. And of course, this Hydro VT Camella water cream from Chanel. I also got. It's free. It's really nice. I only use up a little bit for this because I don't want to use up, even though I have another one of this, but I just use a little bit, so at least I still have this one. And every time I order from Chanel website, I think they don't have that kind of free sample now. So the last 2 items in here is this Dior Lip Addict Lip Maximizer. This is also good if you have matte lipstick and you started your lips crack. Just add this lip maximizer. It's give you it's like a shiny look. And of course, my favorite travel size, the Gabrielle. I really love Gabrielle perfume, by the way. So yeah, look at that, how it's almost empty for that. I really love that one. I want to put everything. I just put that back later. So there is one in here, my key pouch. I use up with this with my coins, guys. And sometimes I put cash, since they don't, you cannot use any cash at the moment, only card. So I just use coins in here. So I bring coins because sometimes you have to pay a shopping bag. So I have to carry some of it, and sometimes you can use a cash, but only a self-service. So yep. And of course, finally using this Kirigami. This is the smallest one, and I put my cards in here. I really love that dark maroon interior inside. The middle one, Kirigami, by the way, I didn't even use up. Oh my god, I only use that up when I'm travel, so I can put my passport in there. But since then, I didn't use that one. I'm probably gonna use that again. Put up all the other makeup stuff. So yeah. And the next one, by the way, guys, do you guys keep this one to your bag or just throw away? I don't know. Leave comment below if it's this one need to be kept into your bag or just throw away, please, because I have like this, but I just threw it away before. But now I have this one on my Coach bag, so I don't know if we're allowed to keep this or what. Maybe at the moment I just leave this one in this zipper compartment in here. The only one in there is nothing except this care book. And this one is a biscuit, Lotus Biscoff. Oh, I really love this Biscoff. It's really nice. Oh my god, I always carry this one because I always get hungry. When I'm hungry, guys, I started to get angry. So I call myself hungry woman. My husband told me, why you always hungry? I said, I don't know. When I'm hungry, I need something, and It gives me headache. It's ruined my day that I'm hungry, especially when you're driving for so long. I have to have something like this or chocolate. So we always stock up with this one, or else my day is ruined. So it's empty in here. So the next one is this one over here. I always put my key holder, the 4 key holder. I put that's only I picked the 4, guys, because I only have 2 key holder. I mean 2 keys, and I don't need a 6 because the only I have is 2. And if I need a key for a car, I just put another one. That's it. And I don't have any key for at the moment, so that's why I only keep for a 4. I keep this one at the end because this is for key holder, and you're not really digging into the back of your bag. So yeah, that's it for this bag. Now you can see what fits in this bag, and also what's in this bag. That's normally I carry, guys, for my essentials that I normally carry all the time every time I go out. So yeah, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.